Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Kamusta kayo? Narito ang isang bahagi o segment ng ating aralin sa Conversational Tagalog 1. At ito naman ang inyong instruktor, Rafael Pulmano.
Hello everyone, we are in Lesson 3, Asking for Tagalog Equivalents and Identifying Objects. In this segment, you will learn more about asking for Tagalog equivalents of objects by using the question pattern, Ano ito? What is this? Ito, Iyan, and Iyon are demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns indicate the relative distances of the objects from the speaker and the listener. Ito, or this, indicates that the object referred to is nearer the speaker than the listener, or near both. Iyan, meaning that, indicates that the object spoken about is either near the listener or far from the speaker. Or a short distance away from both. Iyon, meaning that over there or that yonder, indicates that the object is far from both or farther away than is indicated by Iyan. Ano means what. Ito means this. Together, ano ito means what is this? Ano yan means what is that? Ano yon means what is that over there or yonder? By this time, you should be able to ask the Tagalog equivalents of objects using the questions, ano ito? Ano yan? Ano yon?
This is the end of this segment. Please proceed to the next. Salamat!